What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 tutorial, and today I'm gonna show you on how to make very simple animations in your UI and widgets. It's gonna be a very easy video to follow, so let's get started. But first, check out the link in the description to get our some Unreal Engine courses on Winfox. Alright, so the first thing that we have to do is go ahead and of course create a new user interface, a widget blueprint. Of course, you already have created your own widget and just want to make some simple animations on top of your existing ones. You can just go ahead and open your one. Now I'm just gonna create a new user widget that would you score I don't know, test for example. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up, and now we can go ahead and just drag in, for example, a simple canvas, so we can just go ahead and place some things in the area. Great. So I'm gonna make this tutorial very simple, and what I'm going to do is just a simple fade in and fade out animation, and then a simple slide in and slide out animation, just to show you how you can get started by doing some simple animations in UI. So let's get started by just dragging an image into our canvas over here, and I'm gonna make the anchors cover all of the screen, and then I'm gonna get the offset to be 0, 0, and 0, 0. So now it will basically cover all of the screen. Alright, so now you will notice this animation window over here. Now if you don't see it, you can just go into window and go into animations. Now what we have to do is go ahead and select our image. We're gonna say fade, so you can actually fade image, EMG. Okay, right, so now what we have to do is select that image and then go into the animations window, and I'll go ahead and add a new animation. I'm gonna basically create a new one. It's gonna be our fade. Okay, so now we have to go ahead and select that animation, and now again selecting our fade image over there, we can just add the track that we want. In our case, it's gonna be the image itself. So we can just go ahead and add it over here, and now this works like if it was the sequencer or any other 3D animation tool. Okay, but in this case it's just for widgets and stuff in UI. So we have a timeline, and we can add different keyframes and interpolate between them, etc. So in my case, I want to start out with the fade out. Okay, so basically totally blank. So what we want to do is go into color and opacity in the fade image, and then we want to go ahead and get the alpha and just drop it down to 0. So then what we can do is go ahead and add a keyframe over here, as you can see. So in here we can add different keyframes. So in case I was gonna add it just in overall the color and opacity, and then a bit forward over here, let's say on here 0.50, we can go ahead and open this again and then put the alpha to be 100, and then again another keyframe. And now you see that we have an interpolation over here. If I start dragging, now we have a fade in animation, and it looks really cool. You can see how it automatically will basically transition smoothly between them. So we have a nice transition between them, and we literally do it in 2 seconds using 2 keyframes. Okay, so remember that the keyframes will be available on the right side of the details panel of your image. Now let's make quickly fade out. So we can just go into, for example, 1 over here, and then go ahead, get the color opacity and drop it down back into 0, and then again another keyframe. And now you can see that, well, there we go. We can go ahead and fade in and fade out of our image. Really cool. Now let me show you how you can go ahead and get another image and make a simple slide in and out animation, basically moving the widget. Okay, so what we're gonna do is get the image, drag it again to the canvas or into here, and then I'm gonna say well, in this case, as you can make quickly like this. Okay, it will just basically cover a certain area. So what we want to do is go ahead and create a new animation. In our case, this is gonna rename this into slide image. Okay, there we go. And now we're gonna go ahead and create a new animation. So just put over here this button, and then it's gonna be the slide. Now go ahead and select the new animation, and now we can go ahead and add a new track, which in our case it will be the image itself. And now we can go ahead and start adding more keyframes as we did with this. So what we can do is change the position. So we want to start with the position on the bottom, so it's out of our screen. So everything that is in the canvas will be inside of our screen. So we'll start out. So then we can just add a keyframe on Y, and then a few moments later, all right, around here, we can increase the Y or decrease, and then it will be on the middle of the screen, and then we can just press a keyframe, and now you see automatically again we have a nice interpolation between the two. Now we can get individual keyframes, drag it and change the duration, so now it will take a bit longer. You know how it works. And then what we can do is just make it so that it will go a bit slower in here, so decrease a bit here until here. All right, and then extend it like this, so we'll like go fast, then slow down, and then at the end it will go ahead and decrease this, so we'll go up, up, up. Okay, wait. Oh my god, there we go. Oh my god, I struggled there. Okay, so now we can go ahead and press the keyframe button again, and now we'll go up, slow, and again up. So yeah guys, I hope this tutorial was useful. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, I would really appreciate if you could like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 tutorials out there, so if you want to check it out, go ahead. Now you can go ahead and start experimenting with these tools to create your own animations. And now, yes, with all that said, bye bye.